From education to weddings, there are many milestones to plan for. But with so many investment options, choosing the right one can feel confusing. Today, we will explore two powerful tools to build your daughter's bright future: Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana (SSY) and mutual funds. The Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana, or SSY, is a government-backed scheme specifically designed for a girl child's future. It provides a safe and secure way to save for your daughter's important milestones, knowing your investment is protected. Plus, contributions and interest earned are completely tax-free, allowing your money to grow faster. It has a lock-in period of 21 years from date of account opening, and partial withdrawal up to 50% are allowed when your daughter turns 18 years old. While SSY offers security, mutual funds can be a powerful tool for long-term growth. Mutual funds pool your money with others and invest it in a variety of assets, chosen by experienced fund managers. This diversification helps spread risk and aims to generate potentially higher returns over time. Unlike SSY, mutual funds offer flexibility to invest for any child, providing a broader financial planning tool for your family. Its lock-in period varies depending on the chosen mutual fund scheme. Some have lock-in periods, while others offer greater flexibility. The best choice depends on your specific goals and risk tolerance. SSY is a good option if you have a specific short-term goal in mind, like a college down payment. The guaranteed returns ensure your target amount is achievable, regardless of market conditions. However, for long-term goals like higher education, where costs can be substantial, mutual funds offer the potential for significantly higher returns. Over a longer investment horizon, this growth can make a real difference in the amount available for your child's future. With SSY, the risk is lower as the returns are guaranteed by the government. This provides predictability and peace of mind. The current interest rate of the Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana scheme for the Q4 of the financial year 2024 is 8.2% per annum. Mutual funds, on the other hand, carry some market risk. However, historically, the potential for higher returns of around 15% to 18% per annum has outweighed the risk, especially when invested in the long term. With the right plan and a secure financial foundation, you can empower your daughter to chase her dreams and conquer the world. Remember, the future is full of possibilities. Make it bright.